Welcome to Mama My Strength. Let's beautify our life by cleaning, organizing, and decorating. Friends, if you like this video, do subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the bell icon. Cleaning products that I use to clean my home. Friends, here are some brand of cleaning products that I use for cleaning my home. First is Clorox. I use that to wipe the countertops, kitchen cupboards, refrigerator, etc. Comet is another one that I use to clean for deep cleaning because it has bleach in it. Kitchen sink, bathroom sink, taps, and kitchen counter stains. It gets easily removed by it. And then for my dishwasher, this is the product that I use. For oven cleaning and stove cleaning, this is the brand that I use. The product does make my stove and pots look new. I use Pet Fresh just to eliminate the odors of the carpet or the rug that I have in my apartment. First I powder it and then I vacuum on top of it. It helps loosen the dirt and also gives a refreshing scent around my apartment or my home. I use Lysol air freshener disinfecting spray to help cleanse the air that we breathe within the apartment. I have my own DIY spray bottle in which I have water, vinegar, and alcohol. Same thing is inside this bottle here. I use this to wipe my windows, mirrors, doorknobs, light switch, TV screen, remote control, tables, dining table, etc. I use Ajax to wash my dishes, and also there are different varieties of Ajax, but the one that I use is with the bleach. I use them when I do hand wash the dishes. Don't use them for the dishwasher. Following are the products that I use to clean my bathroom. I use Comet bathroom cleaner, and again it's with the bleach. I've got Clorox wipes just to wipe the toilet seats, toilet handles, etc. and to wipe the counter sink. I also have the DIY spray that I made, and it has alcohol, white vinegar and water in it, and I've got Ajax that I use to clean my sink as well as the bathtub and toilet bowls, and they do make a difference.